Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Curlyzhedvlog. And for today's video, I'm going to share with you how to crochet this BINI logo. And without further ado, let's begin. For this tutorial, I'll be using acrylic yarn, 4mm hook, scissors and yarn needle. First step is to make a slip knot. Then chain 5. Next is slip stitch on the first chain to make a ring. Next, chain 3. Inside the ring, make 1 double crochet. Then, chain 3. Then make a slip stitch inside the ring. And this is how we do the petal. Repeat the pattern 5 times. Again, chain 3. Then make 1 double crochet inside the ring. Next, chain 3. Then slip stitch inside the ring. Now repeat the pattern and complete the 5 petals. I'm about to finish my last petal. This is the last slip stitch and we're going to do the last round. Now let's proceed to last round. Now chain 3. Then make 1 single crochet on top of the double crochet. Next, chain 2. And on the same stitch, make another 1 single crochet. Next, chain 3. Then slip stitch inside the ring. Again, let's repeat the pattern. Chain 3. Then make 1 single crochet on top of double crochet. Next, chain 2. And on the same stitch, make 1 single crochet. Then, chain 3. Next is slip stitch inside the ring. Go ahead and continue repeating the steps until you finish the last round. I'm about to finish the last round. To complete that, I will make a slip stitch inside the ring. Next, pull and cut the excess yarn. At the back of your work, secure and fasten off the excess yarn. To secure the yarn, I always do a double knot. Then after that, cut the excess yarn. Next, we're going to switch with the white yarn. Use a yarn needle and follow the steps that I will show you. Insert the needle in the middle part of the petal. Then, pull the yarn. Next, insert the needle inside the ring. And again, pull the yarn. Now turn your work, then make 2 knots to secure the yarn. Then, repeat the steps. Insert the needle in the middle part of the petal, then insert it on the ring. Do it for about 3 times, then proceed to the next petal. Now, secure the yarn by doing a double knot. Then, cut the excess yarn. There you have it, guys. This is the final outcome of BINI logo crochet. If you're interested to this kind of content, check out some of my crochet tutorial. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to help my channel grow. I hope to see you on my next tutorial. Thank you and goodbye.